The standing inverse Zottman curl, also known as the reverse Zottman curl, is a variation of the traditional Zottman curl. In this variation, you perform a hammer curl on the way up, then switch to a supinated palms facing up grip on the way down. The hammer curl portion of the lift emphasizes the brachialis and forearms, while the lowering portion uses a supinated grip to target the biceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart while holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides with a neutral palms facing in hammer grip. Contract your core for stability, then complete a hammer curl by bending your elbows to curl the weights up towards your shoulders while keeping your elbows in a fixed position. Pause briefly at the top to squeeze your biceps and forearms. Before beginning the lowering portion of the lift, rotate your hands to a supinated position with your palms facing up. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, emphasizing control to maximize muscle engagement. At the bottom of the lift, rotate your grip back to a neutral palms facing in hammer grip, then repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.